Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the Creuset Stoneware butter dish. So let's go ahead and unwrap the package. So this is a two-part package with a top and a bottom, the top being the lid and the bottom being the base of the butter dish. Let's start off by unwrapping the top. So as you can see, the lid of this Creuset Stoneware butter dish has a glossy finish, and this one is in coastal blue. And now let's unwrap the base or the dish part of the butter dish. And here is the base. As you can see, the inside of the base has a plain beige color. And once again, it does have that glossy finish on the inside and edges of the base of the dish, and the bottom is a plain uncoated light cream. And let's put the butter dish together. So right there, you have a nice good look at this Creuset Stoneware butter dish in coastal blue. It's available in 12 other colors as well. So it does have quite some heft to it. And at the bottom or underside of the base, you can see the Creuset stamping at the bottom with the logo next to it. And just giving you some sense of the size of this butter dish. The dimensions are 17 by 13 by 9 centimeters. So this is fairly large and fairly hefty as well. I'm holding it rather firmly in my fingers, and you can hear the noise that it makes, very clinky. And the lid does have some slight play to it. So once again, this time around, giving you a much closer look at this Creuset Stoneware butter dish in coastal blue. So you can see that very nice glossy finish. And it does have a little loop handle there, which makes it easy to remove the lid when it's set down on the tabletop. And right there, even just gripping it with my index finger and thumb, you can really feel the heft of this lid. And taking a look at the underside as well, nice glossy finish and with a nice beige interior. And of course, the edges are of that coastal blue, which you can see throughout the external of this entire stoneware butter dish. So this butter dish, like the rest of Creuset Stoneware, is dishwasher, oven, microwave, freezer and grill safe. It's pretty much safe for all kinds of kitchen environments. So now giving you that close-up look once again. Right there, you can see the Creuset branding along the top edge of this butter dish. So nice good look in this coastal blue. So it is a very pale blue. And you can see nice consistent finish throughout. in a glossy, plain blue finish. So resting it in the palm of my hand, giving you some sense of size there and scale. It is quite large and weighty for sure. And just giving you some various views and angles of this butter dish with my hands out of the way. And giving you that close-up look once again, so you can see the Le Creuset label on their stoneware butter dish. And as I mentioned, this one is in coastal blue and available in 12 other colors, so quite an extensive color range for just a very simple looking butter dish with a very, very sturdy and solid feel to it. So right there, giving you a nice close-up extensive look at this butter dish from Le Creuset. And over here I have a fresh unopened block of Tesco organic unsalted butter, and this one is a 250 gram block, so giving you some sense of the size there, resting in the palm of my hand and just placing it in the butter dish so you know how a standard block of butter would fit in the Le Creuset stoneware butter dish. And just placing the cover on right there, no contact at all, plenty of room for that block of butter to be stored in this very hefty and nicely made butter dish. And lifting the lid up and giving you that close-up look right there. This time I'm going to set the lid down and give you the close-up look with the block of 250 gram butter resting nicely in the middle of this Le Creuset stoneware butter dish in coastal blue. So as you can see, plenty of room all around the surrounding of this block of butter. Just being careful here not to drop the butter off from the dish and onto the floor or tabletop. And right there, once again, giving you a nice good look from the top down and straight above and into the butter dish. So you can see plenty of room even for slightly more butter around this block of butter in the butter dish. It's right there. How many times did I say the word butter? You can count it just for the fun of it. But there we go. Nice good look all around at this Le Creuset stoneware butter dish in coastal blue. So it's again giving you an all around look, close up, top down and all around this nice glossy glazed stoneware butter dish from Le Creuset. So that's the Le Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish in Coastal Blue. Thanks for watching and happy storing!